Hey, good morning, guys. Just getting ready to head to meet and greet this morning. So I'm excited about it. I have about an hour and a half, so I'm gonna go and get a few things copied that I needed. Get my class prep for this morning and be ready to meet the parents. I'll check back in with you. Morning, guys. I will tell you this as I head in, I am getting a case of teacher jitters. I don't know if it's because I know it's officially day one for the next 10 months of my life. Back to lesson planning, being on my feet, getting those 10,000 steps in before 2 o'clock again, as opposed to being able to relax when I wanted to. I don't know what it is. I know I'm feeling something in my stomach, my head kind of hurting right now. So I do think I'm having a case of teacher jitters, which is what I was telling you guys about. So how I'm going to go and relax myself, I will go, and like I told you guys, set the mood in my classroom. I have some oil that's for calming that I told you guys about in my Amazon haul, and I'm gonna go and put that mist out. I'm gonna set my energy lamp in my classroom, and I am going to put on a saxophone playlist that I have that really help calm me and get me to a different zone. And I'm also going to pray in my classroom. Pray for a good school year. Pray that everybody that walk in have and get what they need as far as in their educational needs, that I can be what each kid need me to be in whatever capacity that they need. So I'm gonna go do that, make my copies that I need, set my stations, and prepare for parents to enter. I hope my energy get up. I woke up about 4 something this morning. I drank a cup of coffee and got ready really slow and carefully. And I do plan on waking up at 4 a.m. every morning in order to do my yoga and affirmations. And I have a treadmill, so to get about 2 miles in before I start my day, so that I can have that sort of energy throughout the day, and healthy energy actually, instead of being souped up on coffee all day. So I hope that works out. I will be checking back in with you guys and let you guys know how meet and greet go. Show you what I've done in my classroom as far as setting the mood for me, and tell you how it all went. So I'll talk to you guys really soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back in my classroom. We just got done with meet and greet. We're excited because we had put in an order like $150 worth, and the local furniture place came and delivered us some goodies. I forgot what I'd ordered, but like everyone received all their goodies. So if I turn the camera, then everybody will be down this hallway. So that's where they headed at, down that way, and they came, dropped it off to everybody. So I'll bring you guys down there to meet a few people and see if they're opening their stuff. So let me show you. Hey, Miss Franks, what you got? It's like Christmas. What you got? You got a rug? An alphabet rug. Oh my God. Oh, and it's pretty and colorful. Where you gonna put that at, Miss Franks?
In front of my board, right there.
Oh, cool. In front of her Promethean, nice and clean.
Math on the carpet.
And centered as well.
On the carpet.
Very good. Okay, that's exciting. What else you got here? This is yours?
Yeah, I got a box of goodies.
Oh, wow.
Stress bus.
And look, a stress bus. That is so cute, guys. Look.
A nice little book with
Some
a
koozies.
pen.
Yes, very good. They have some good little prizes in there.
Good stuff.
All right, so I'm on to the next. Bye. Good luck this school year. Bye, Miss Frank. You have some clipboards.
Yes.
Oh, good. They're gonna need that in math with all that computation. Good job.
Several of them. Need a
You
bunch.
excited?
Very, and they got some board games and some kinetic tiles.
Oh, I should have got some board games. You're smart.
And let's see what else.
Very good. Let me see some board games. Uno, Connect Four, some wood impairment. Oh yeah, they have some good stuff. Yeah. Yeah, see? Thank you. See, guys, it's like Christmas around here. So everybody excited and unboxing their stuff. So let me go and catch a few more people in action. Louis, Miss Louis, what do you have here? It's like a light cover. So whenever it shines through, you're going to see all these beautiful aquamarine things going on. Oh my God, can't wait till you get it up there. Look at your mural. Look, guys, check this out. Now this is going all the way out, guys. Look at the visual that Miss Lewis have in this classroom. That is so, so beautiful. I love it. All right, guys, I'm back in my class, so I am going to unbox my goodies. I actually really forgot what I ordered, so I'm going to be just as shocked as you guys. So give me a second. All right, guys, so I'm super excited. I remember now, so I end up getting all the goggles that I'll need for science experiment. So I'm excited about that. They got a variety of colors. Some dry erase markers that I need for my marker boards. That's exciting. And some disposable, but I mean, we're going to be using them, but they're going to be reusable science coats for science. So I'm excited about that. And I have a variety of sizes here. And of course, some gloves that they're going to be utilizing and needing. And they gave us some free goodies like this little water bottle, koozies. So I'm excited about that. Everything helps, and there go the cute little bus. So thank you, Home Furniture. You guys really, really rock. Hey guys, I'm checking back in. I will tell you this. I'm about to start this school year off in a classroom without AC, coming fresh out of summer with some 5th graders. So I am hot. I'm not happy about it. I have a little fan and another oscillating fan that's just circling around, but it's circling around hot air, so I don't know. My coworker says she have like a little personal AC. If I want that, she'll bring that. But if she bring it, that'd be great. If not, we just gonna be in there sweating it out, and I'm just don't appreciate that. And only because it's been out all summer. It's not like and they're saying that it's a drip pan issue or something like that. It's too hot. That's too much. That's too aggravating, and it's making me tired already. So with that being said, other than that, today open house was good. I just got to see, I think it was 8 or 9 families today out of a class of 24. So that means I have a whole lot of faces that I will see hopefully on the first day of school. So I'm excited about that. That giveaway that they were doing earlier, I'm very appreciative of that. Now I just have to go find a way to organize the uniforms, not uniforms, but the lab coats and gloves and goggles that I have. I want them to actually have a great experience when it comes to implementing any type of science material. So I may do Finding Fred. I may do Finding Fred with them just to get them excited. And well, Saving Fred, not Finding Fred. Saving Fred with them just to get them excited. Or I may do something else on a smaller scale, like what's in the bag, and put different contents in the bag and have them to build me a quick little structure, giving them time to plan it and implement it. So we'll see. I have a few things that I want to do, but because I'm the science teacher, I want a lot of my stuff to be STEM and cooperative learning, like cadence structures and stuff like that for the first day of school, because they're going to be doing a lot of talking, research, and collaborations. So, and collaborating. I have made it home. I have a kindergarten in the back of this car here, named Heidi. She's going to be going to kindergarten. So I have to go home and get her hair together, make sure her clothes out, because we have a big early morning ahead of us, her first day of kindergarten. I'm very nervous about that. However, we all have to start somewhere. So she's excited. I'm a mess. My makeup a mess. I wore this little ponytail, and you know, people was complimenting me on it, but that's it. I'm just gonna go for a different look tomorrow, but I'm pretty tired, guys. I know I sound like it, so I'm gonna get off here, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.